If you want to change icon colors on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you want to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Wallpaper and Style. In here, if you open the color palette, and if you turn it on, then you can also apply the palette to app icons. Here we have a little preview. At the bottom, we can choose the palette that we want to use. So of course, you can try any of them in order to find out which one you like the most. You can also go to basic colors in order to choose one of these. And let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and we're gonna tap on Apply button. And then once it is applied, we should be able to go to the home screen in order to see how it looks like. There is a pretty big downside of this, and that is that many apps are not going to be adapted. They will not be changed into that single color. For example, over here you can see that pretty much every app is changed, but if I go to the app drawer, you will see that some of the third-party apps are not affected. And unfortunately, there is nothing you can do about this specific method. It just simply, it doesn't support every app icon. But what you can do instead is, if you go back to Settings, we can actually proceed to Themes. And then over here in Galaxy Themes, if we go to Icons at the bottom of the screen, then you can simply use a custom icon pack. And of course, many of these options are unfortunately paid, but also you should be able to find some free content. I can find here at the bottom. You can also go to top category, and then on the left side we can switch from all to free, and then you can try to find the icons pack that you wish to use, that you think looks cool. So let's say I have something over here. You will see that still there might be some exceptions. Some apps might not be affected, they might not look properly, but still you can download and apply the pack in order to see if you like it or not. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.